Welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a multiplayer Pong game. So, in my last tutorial video, I showed you how to make a single player Pong game, and this is what it looked like. So, how to make a multiplayer Pong game. So, how it works is, your friends sit next to you, and you will, and you will, be and the person at the right will control the right side of the screen using the arrow keys to go up and down, and if you're on the left, you'll be using the W and the S, which they're both on other sides of the screen. So let's just jump into it. So we will now get into it. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do. Okay, the first step is get a win flag clicked, because that's basically the start button. And what we have to do is, I forgot, delete the sprite, go over here and search paddle. And of course, you can make this whatever color you want and name this player 1. You don't have to name this. You can name this whatever you want. It's just a reminder for me, and it's easier to do things like that. So, once you've gotten player 1 here, we want to make this like a different color. So what I want to do is I'm going to make this the red one, and the one on the other side will be the red one. I mean, the one on the other side, which is player 2, will be the yellow one. So now so what we have to do is now go to backdrops here, and then once you're at backdrop, a good backdrop is like, go out here, and I'm gonna go to the square tool, and I will now go to like a light, uh, um, a light blue color. It doesn't matter if you have outlines now, but now get a slightly darker one and make it like a long line, but click this and then make it like, and then click that. So then go through a line straight, cutting through the middle, but to center this line, do you see this like little thingy there? Center it with that. And it may not look centered here, but it looks centered here. So now what we have to do is we have to make it so we have where it touches. So yeah, so if it touches, this is what we put behind the character, so if it touches that, that means they lose. So make this a similar color to your character, but not too similar. Because if you make it too similar, that means if it touches your character, they'll get a point, which is the opposite of what you want to have. And just click that. So but first I want to make this like very thin, like that. Well, make it like that's great. So gonna do Control C, Control V, copy, wait, no, sorry. Then copy and paste it, put it on the other side, but you're probably saying like, but that's the same color. Yeah, we don't want the same color. So I'll make it that to like a nice bright yellow. So we have that. That's for player 2. So we'll put the scores up here and this is to like separate the things. So now we'll do this. So if we do, oh yeah, let's go to click player 1, and we have this. So let's not put it like right here, and it's supposed to go the other way. I'll tell you what to do for that. So if we do, so we like this spot. So it could be like up or down, just make it close to the red, but not too close. So then make sure it has these coordinates, and those coordinates are right here. So then go scroll down and then say point in direction 0. So once you've pointed in direction 0, you'll go to forever, then repeat. And then what you have to do is do a key up arrow pressed, and then do go over here and click W. And then what you do is you do change Y by where is it? Change Y by where? Sorry. Change Y by that, but then say 5, and then right click this and then click duplicate. Put that under, and then say S and say minus symbol 5, which is -5. So now we have this. So if we click the start button, if we click W or this, so I actually like the coordinates here, which is, so I could just say -214, then go over here and say 18. So if I were to move my character like over here, it would always go over there. And to move your character, yeah. So now we will be going on to player 2. So for player 2, the things are very, 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 very similar. So all we have to do is first open your backpack, drag this, and put it in here. So we have this in our backpack. So then go choose a sprite, search paddle, or you can make your own sprite like I had said. So then go to backpack here and then drag this in here. So now this is for the other side of the keyboard, so we're going to do up arrow and down arrow. And now what we have to do is we are going to, they're going to spawn in the same places. So I like it right here. So what I'm going to do is take this one out and make it at the coordinates I want it. So boom, we have that. Now, since this background is yellow, I'm going to change it yellow. But I want to make this yellow slightly dark. And I want to make the inside even darker. So we have this. It looks nice. Also name this player 2. Like I said, you could do anything, but it's just a good reminder for me. So then once you're here, that's really it. So now what you have to do is go to sprites here, and then like we used, you could just click this ball here, or you could just go to here and search up ball. And for the ball, it has all of these colors I noticed, so you can select any of these colors you want. I'm just gonna pick yellow because that's like the classic color. And now what we have to do for ball is, this one is a bit more complicated, so hold on to your seats. Just kidding. It's not that hard. So go to variables here, click delete my variable, and then do for all sprites player 1 score, and then go over here and say for all sprites again player 2 score, then click OK. And then we could just uncheck mark these for now, but that's for the score. So then go to when flag clicked, set player 1 score to 0 and set player 2 score to 0, and then go to 0, 0. So 0, 0 is the middle of the screen. So if we go over here, that's the middle of the screen. But this won't work. You have to center your thing, so line it up with this target if you made your own thing. So then once you've done that, you'll do point in direction 45. And then once you've done that, you'll get a forever block. Where's that? Here. So then once you've gotten the forever block, you will do move 10 steps, just 10 steps, that's it. And then do if on edge bounce, and then get an if then block. Where is that? Right here. So get an if then block and put it over here, and then do touching paddle or player 1, and then after you've done that, you will go to motion and then do point in direction 180. So let's just change it right here. So then once you've done that, duplicate that and put it under. Then say player 2. So now we have this. So if you accidentally clicked it, just click that red symbol and then it'll stop. So once you've done that, you will just okay, so what you do is get another win flag clicked forever, and then an if then. So then once you've gotten the if then, it'll do sensing, touching. So then you'll do touching color question mark. So click that and then click this and then try to highlight this. Click and then boom, it'll get that exact color. So then once you've done that, you'll do change. Where is it? Oh yeah, change player 2 score, and then you'll do, and then go to controls here, scroll down and do wait until, and then go to variables here, say not at all, and then just duplicate this and put it right here. So then duplicate this and then just change this to this and do that for the other, and then do change player 1 score by 2. I mean by 1. If you want to change the scores instead of getting 1 point from doing that, you could just go over here and change what points you get. So then, yeah, you have done that. And then what you do is go to variables, player 1 score, then double tap them. So put them like this. So the scores will be at the end of the screen. So then, let the games begin. So you can control both of the characters. That's why your friend has to come. And I see that I've already gotten a point. So there's already a bug. So bugs like this, well, you'll just have to deal with them. It happens very commonly, I can see. So just try to prevent that from happening and have a good game. Are you kidding me? Also, I noticed that these things aren't dragged up enough, so I want to yeah. So, yeah, don't let it touch it like that. So, I think so, gosh dang it. The thing's really annoying. Just, try to prevent that from happening, and then you'll have a good game. I can see it's very tedious to get that perfect timing. Oh my god. Yes, now we will have a good game. No, 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 no. Yes. So then, oh my god. Yeah, this is a terrible game, but at least I taught you how to do it. So, yeah, just try not to have it hit that thing, and you'll be fine. So, yeah, that's gonna end the video. Bye. Also, link in the description for the other video of how to make a single player Pong game. It's a lot easier and a lot less annoying than this one. So, yeah, better check that one out in the description below. And also, you will see it in the boxes that will appear magically in your face in right about now time. So just try to click on one of them. It's very fun and good. And also scroll down and you'll see this button that says subscribe. It's red. Please click it. If it's gray, you are good. And if it turns gray, you are still good. And also if that like button isn't fully blue, click it. It'll fill in blue. So yeah.